Shadows is one of Warhol's most important total artworks. There are 102 paintings, but Warhol conceived of these as a single painting.
Dia, at the time known as the Lone Star Foundation, acquired these works directly from Warhol. We show them edge to edge so that there's no space between each of the canvases, which means that when you're inside of the installation space, you are surrounded by each of these paintings. I think that the relationship between Calvin Klein and Dia is one that is very important and very strong for both institutions. It is amazing to be able to partner with a different force within a creative world and to see where there are areas of interest and overlap, as well as in conservation, which is the way in which we come to this relationship by way of Calvin Klein supporting our conservation efforts.
Conservation process involves the surface cleaning of the paintings. Then we get into the cleaning process, which we start by vacuuming each painting with a special HEPA vac. We wipe down all the edges, and we're cleaning the backs of the paintings and putting on new hanging hardware and hanging systems that will minimize future handling and potential damage.
We see this as a total artwork, as Warhol did. It is important because it shows Warhol's skill as a painter, but it also shows his real mastery of other media. Photography, printing, design, all come together to make these paintings unique.